Try again.
Ready? Go get the bear. Ready?
Yay!
Hey, come here. Come. Ready?
She'll stand up before Ashley.
Oh, she already stood up on her own today.
Whoop.
Ashley wants to stand up, but she falls right back
Yay! Go.
Siri, get the bear.
You're too busy laughing. Hey, ready? Pay attention. Here we go. Whoops. Ready? Okay, go get the bear. You're
One more time.
busy laughing. Okay, ready? Concentrate. Go. Are you goofy?
One more time.
That ain't lasting very long.
Yay! Oh, give it a big hug.